Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Theta Network guys. Theta Network holders, that is a good news for all of you because in the Theta Network start pumps and Theta Network are going to hit a 10 USD dollar again. Oh my god, you know what guys, if you are a Theta Network holder, so you already know about Theta, that in a previous month the Theta price will repeatedly decrease, but in the latest situation the Theta price is going good in the market and a lot of people are getting a huge profit from a Theta Network. Now you can see if you look the price of Theta, so now the latest price is 9.43 USD dollar. That is the latest price. And furthermore guys, if we talk about the changes of the Theta Network, now the last 1 hour changes is negative, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the Theta Network is positive. I mean the last 1 day and last 1 week changes of a Theta Network is positive. So this means that the previous time from 1st September the price start pumps and still the price is in the pumping mode guys. Now let me show you the price chart. Just look here guys, that's clear for everybody that just from 1st September you can see here from 2nd September the price start jumps. You can see here from this price chart everything is clear and still guys they are in the pumping mode. So I think Theta Network, it is a good time for invest in a Theta Network because the price is in the quick jump and Theta Network are going to the moon guys. Subscribe now, please click the subscribe button right now for more news and updates videos about the Theta Network guys. So very congratulations to all Theta Network holders and I hope that Theta Network will going to hit 15 USD dollar. What you think? Yes, that is not a huge target for a Theta Network. They can easily hit a 15 USD dollar. So hope you like this good news video. Subscribe now for more updates and news videos.